get time for no enemies. Torí pé wọ́n lè tó mi. Oh, nothing where person never see. Nothing where person never see. Forgetting as ever she. Money soon expected. Take our body and them pay. I take up to the guest. I've been the answer, the guess. Now me then the answer, guess. Respect is reciprocal, even though I know it's special. Anybody, when no one to search. Anybody, when on the carry body. Naka something, naka something. To bata fele, naka something. Listen, you want your bread, you never watch. Not because we set I never talk. I look you, they love you, go, diddy, go. I shall no say the can go come, mama. I no say the can go come. You know go fit the line no more. Listen, I not come by God. Why can't you like or not? Go back into me, let's get it go for. Keep the jack on. Anybody, when no one does touch you. Anybody, when on the carry body. Naka something, naka something. The bata pele, naka something. Money soon expected. Take our body and them. I take up to the guest. I've been the answer, I guess. Now me take the answer, I guess. Respect is reciprocal, even though I know it's special. Anybody, when no one does such. Anybody, when no they carry body. Naka something, naka something. To bata fele, na. Basta, any to bata fele. Any to bata fele. Any to bata fele. Any to bata fele. All was order.
Man, Jordan, man, you know, that's a really powerful performance because, I mean, apart from the dancing and all the other stuff you're doing, your voice was coming through, man. Your voice was coming through heavy.
Thank you so much.
You just made Burna proud. Well done. Well done.
Jordan, I can tell that you're a big Burna fan because this is your second Burna song. Yeah. Burna is incredible. And to be honest, with your kind of voice, I would have picked something else, but I think that you did it justice. So like I was worried at first, but then you killed it. So well done.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Same thing like you said, I was a bit worried at first, but you killed it, you delivered. We heard you, and you kept showing us your shoe. Constant. So, congratulations, God bless you.
Nice work, man. Nice work. It's not easy to. They call him African Giant for a reason. He does it effortlessly. You did too. I like the best. Let me pack my bagara. Do this. Oh yeah. Let's go. Ha! Down, fella. I love it, man. Nice work. Nice work. All right, man. But how did that turn out for you? How did you feel about that, doing the African Giant song?
Burna Boy is a giant, and I have big shoes, but that's really, really, really big shoes to fill. I'm just happy that I was able to pull it off.
Yeah. I like that. That's nice. Keeping it humble. Well, don't go anywhere. We've got some more performances from your top 6 when we come back.